Hello guys. Today we'll be reviewing this shipment. This shipment was built by JJTech, and this is a really nice, very good shipment. I think everything that we have been looking at, getting from like improvements from every other shipment script or designs. This is what we have here. This is the landing page. As you can see, it has frequently asked question. It has the part for reviews from clients. It has the part for the footer part that contains every single information that you need. Now, first of all, each of this information, your contact information and everything, is controlled from your admin. So you have total control of this whole thing from the admin. The email, phone number, address, you can change anytime. So let's look at our contact us page also, see what we have. This is what we have on our contact us page. All of these things can be controlled completely from the admin. Your smart up, your live chats, smart up Tildo or anyone, you just have to fake it, put the code in your admin and save. You don't really have to do anything inside the code apart from setting up and uploading and setting up your database and connecting your database, then you're good to go. So this is what our script looks like. We are going to be looking at the different. This is what our admin also looks like. I'm going to be looking at, because some of this tracking already has like different tracking progress. So we are going to be tracking all of these things. We are going to be reviewing the tracking page. We are going to be reviewing the receipt. We are going to be reviewing all of those things here. So this is what we have here. As you can see, this is how it looks. So this one has gone to out for delivery from on the shipment progress. Also, you go down, you can see the image of the package. Also, you see the part for your receipt. So this is for this particular shipment. Let's review another one that maybe the track progress has not gone like far. So let's see. Let's take this one. Let's see what it looks like. This track. All right, so this is what this one looks like. The shipment progress is here, so this is what it looks like. As you can see on the map, it's just the shipment progress has not gone far. So I think it is order received picked up. So let's look at this again on our track package. All right, so this is what we have. This is what we actually have on our track package. This is how it looks like. This is how our receipt looks like also. So we're going straight into this video. This is how our receipt looks like. This is how our tracking page looks like. Let's good and fine. As you can see, it's moving on the map. So this is what we have here right now. So we'll be going straight into building it and how to build it so that you see how you can set up this script on your own. Let's go to, so first of all, one of the first things you need is your cPanel. I'll be clearing this whole thing so you need a cPanel, an H panel, whatsoever panel. You just need an hosting to be able to host your website. Hosting consists of your domain and your hosting package. So you need it to be able to host your website. If you are looking for a good, reliable place to actually get hosting from, you can get hosting from QuickVas, Iron Shield. This is QuickVas, Iron Shield. You search it on. Let me search on it. So you can get your host from here. So once you buy your hosting and your domain, you get your cPanel. You see that sent to you, or you can just access it from your dashboard. So once you are able to access it, you'll be seeing something like this. This is what you'll be seeing, something like this. This is the main just cPanel dashboard. So we are going to be handling three different things here. First is upload. So we are going to be uploading. So we are going to be uploading our file. I already have some things in my public HTML. So because I have these things in my public HTML right now, I'll be creating another folder. So let me call this folder, let's call it Shipment Pro X. So this will be my own public HTML right now. So we are going to upload this file. At the end of this video, I'm going to be telling you how to get this file. So just follow the process, or right. So we also have a really good real estate design really good real estate design. That if you want to get, you just need to let us know. I'll be doing a quick review on that real estate design now. So extract file and close. Now, if you are just getting your cPanel, I always advise every time that you actually come to your settings here and your show hidden file and save it so that all hidden files are showed. And you click inside there and you select all, and so you click in this, you click the file you just unzipped, select or move, you move it to, this is my own public HTML now. If you are buying your own cPanel for the first time, this will be only this part will be your public HTML, but only this public HTML will be your own. But this right now is acting as my own public HTML. So I'm moving the files inside there. Once I'm done with that, the next thing I have to do is go back to the main part of my cPanel and just type MySQL database wizard. So what we're trying to create now, I'm trying to create database for this on database wizard. Trying to create our database, which is like the second step I used to tell people. So let's call it database. You can name it whatsoever you want. Database for ship pro X. So I copy this part. I copy everything that is inside with Control A. I go to next step, and it shows me another input. I paste what I just copied there. Then come here, copy the whole thing without the quotes. I put it here, put it this here, and put this here also, paste it. So what we are trying to do is we are trying to make this both the password, the username, and the database name of the website. So we'll go to the next step. I don't think it's always safe to do so, but it is easy for you to understand. So when you have when you already get it, you can actually start making the passwords and stuff different. So now we're going to go to set our database. On this says okay, this mount public HTML. So we are going to set our database right now. So go to connection.php, edit. So look, this the username will make it. Just paste what we have on our clipboard, but it's always best for you to also put it on a part in your notepad, like somewhere in your notepad. So you save this. So what next we have to do now is to we just did this right now. What we have to do now is to go to PHP my admin to actually upload our SQL file. So we come to look at what we just created now. Database for ship pro X. So click import, click on choose file and logistics. So you'll be having access to these files, and also it is also in the file for this shipment. So we go to admin. Now these are our admin details. So let me show you how to hash a password. As you come here, you see username. This part is very important. I'll be clipping this part for some people to understand sometimes. Admin username is admin. Then you see at the top, this place, it has showed you that this is a password hash. So you come here, you click edit. That means this is not your password. So let's change the password. Let's say we want to change password. We want to change to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. So you come here and you hash the password, the PHP hash. Look at it, PHP hash. So we turn to 9. Let me add 0. Because yeah, so you can change your admin password to change your admin username. Then click on go. So now it is the 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 0. That will be your password right now. So let's see what we have here. So like I said, you just have to set it like that. You set your database and your you set your database, connect your database, and the rest things you have to do will be from inside the admin. So this is what we have for here. Let's put our HTML. What is acting as our own HTML? right now, which is this. So I'll be slashing this file, slashing it now. Ooh, good. So this is what I've been doing all this time. Let's also get our admin link. Yeah, admin link. So /admin. So if you are buying a script like this, there's also one thing you should know, that this script is not everywhere. We built it in JJTech, so this script is like an original. So you will not be finding it all over the place. Like, so you understand what I'm trying to say? Now this is our admin. Once we go to our site settings, we see everything that we have to do on our site settings. You see the site name, so you don't have to start editing the site name one by one. You can just come here and edit the site name, the site email. As you can see, you edit it, the phone number, the home URL page. So you can actually change the home URL page for those that understand. I don't want to complicate the video. The site logo, you see the favicon also. You see where to change the support email. You see where to configure your SMTP. You see where to change colors of the website. You see this one, you can turn on the translator on the website or turn it off. Once you turn it off, it is turned off. And the translator is a very good translator on this website. So also the part for your live chats. This is it. Just register on the live chat. It gives you a JavaScript code. Put the JavaScript code here and you're good to go. You can enable the live chat or disable it too. And you can also choose where you want your live chat to be. This is the part for the live chat here. Also enable delivery notification, that is pop-up. When this pop-up is for, it shows you that some people package has been delivered to them. It shows you that some people's package is pending or is being enroute to them. That's what that pop-up does for you. Let's see. Look at it. So this is it. Jessica Wong, small package. It comes up again. It's telling that person just received their package. Okay, this one I'll say Johnson, package arriving today. As you can see, it's telling that this person just received, this person package arriving today, as you can see. So it's letting you know that this is an active shipment, that package at the local facility. So that person's package is at the local facility already. Package on the way for this person, for Lisa Chen. So look at this. It is a very, very nice script. It is one of the best. So it's telling that this person's package just arrived, this person's package just arrived, this person's package just arrived. Yeah, so you can also choose to also turn off and turn on the translator, which is a very good one to translator. A very good translator. Okay, I disabled this live chat widget. Okay. Also, this is all your settings, all you have to do. So you can also reset the whole thing. So you save it and you are good to go. You set everything you have to set from here, your SMTP and every other thing, set it from here and you're good to go. It is a very, very beautiful website. It was made with the highest professionalism in mind, and it is ready for you. So if you need something like this, a very good website, a very good design for your shipment, you can send me a DM. All my details, my contact details will be below this video. WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and yeah, WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, they will be below this video. Thank you very much for watching. Do like, share, and subscribe. Thank you very much.